Next in the alphabet is the vine family letters. Okay, because that's a bit like it's got a hanging vine in it, so it's going low. We're always starting by moving down in a straight line and then going up and linking in the next part of the letter, or we'd go on to the next letter if we were doing joined writing, okay? So if we start with the L, so we've got L, T, I and U in the vine family letter group, okay? So, and with all these, it's really important, again, to try and make those lines quite straight, although this one's obviously a little bit wonky as well. So again, always time to practice, holding my pencil properly. So with the L and the T, we're using the whole line. So you're starting at the very top of the line, going straight down, and you're putting that flick at the bottom. Okay, that's really important to show me that it is an L. Okay, so down and a bit of flick. That one's quite a small flick. Probably better to do a slightly big one, although not too big, otherwise we get a bit carried away. So down, flick, down, flick, down, flick, down, flick. This one's nice and easy, but again, just important to make sure the line starts at the top and the bottom. We haven't got any floating letters happening. Now T is actually really great because it's basically the same as the L, but we do a line across starting from the middle when we're finished. So we go down like the L, and then we just draw a line that matches the flick up. And again, the reason that it's on a diagonal and it's not a straight line is because that helps us when we do our joined up writing later. So again, just like an L with a matching flick at the end like that. I is basically a little bit like a mini L. So for the I and the U, we're back to just that bottom part of the line. A little mini L and a dot. And with the U, this one's probably the trickiest out of all of them. You need to start as if you're doing an I, but then you actually curve round, down, and then flick at the end. So you've got a bit of a curve rather than a flick, down and up like that. And again, it's important to make sure that curve hits the bottom of the line there as well. And of course, you've got that all-important flick at the end for when we start joining. And again, if you like, you can put those letters together, see what they look like next to each other. I think that looks great. It looks like a little pattern. And there you have your vine family letters.